Hello dear friends, hope you are having a great day. I am Farhan, you are watching educational YouTube channel DigiMastery. This is lesson 2 of Microsoft Excel series Complete Guide from Beginner to Advanced Level. Today we start with simple calculation. You are seeing some data into different cells. In F2 cell, we enter equal sign, then we enter B2 or just click on B2 cell. Now we enter plus sign, then we click on C2 cell and enter plus sign. Then click on D2 cell plus and enter E2. Now we hit enter button on keyboard or click on tick sign here. Now sum is complete. Now enter is equal to sign in F2 and write sum. You see all list of sum formulas we have. In next coming videos I explain to you all these sum formulas also, but in this video we go with simple sum formula. Now start bracket. You see this pop-up that shows number 1, comma, number 2 and so on. We click on B2 cell and drag it to E2. You see there is a range which we read B2 colon E2, and now close bracket, just press enter. Sum of B2 colon E2 done. Now click on F2 cell. Just go with your mouse button, right corner you will see. You see fill handle. Just click on that and drag it down. Now you see how we quickly done other calculation too in Excel. Now here some random cell 2. Click on E6 cell and enter is equal to sign and write sum. Now start bracket and hold control button and I click on B2 cell, then C3 and then E4 and B4 and close bracket and press enter. You see the sum of random cell 2. Now let's go to enter some data. So here I am going to input sale department report for a few different months. I want to give this a title, so I will call this sale department report and press enter. Now let's say I want to go from Jan till June. I can just type in Jan here. Now when I press tab, I go to the next cell. By default, if I press enter, you go to the cell below. If you want to press enter and stay on the same cell, you have to press Ctrl enter. Now if I go to the If you want a shortcut for this, there is one. Just highlight with the keyboard keys and press Ctrl R. This is going to fill to the right. Now, when you are on the end here and you press Enter, you jump to the cell below. That thing makes some difficulties. One way to make it easier for you to input a bunch of data is to highlight the area first. So in this case, when I highlight this, notice when I press tab and I get here and I press tab again, it goes to the first cell. It goes to the first cell of the next row. Now I am just quickly going to add some data to this. How to format data in Microsoft Excel? Let's do some formatting. Okay, so now we have some more data. Let's adjust the formatting of this. I want to center this across my report. So highlight the range, go to Home and merge these cells. When you click it, it automatically merges and center the cell. We can make these bold. First highlight and click on bold. And while we are here, let's it's too tight for you, you can expand this a little bit. If you just select any of these while the rest are highlighted, it's going to make the same adjustment to the rest as well. Now you can go ahead and add color to this or add border. So here you have a bottom border. You will have thick bottom border. So let's go with that. In case you want to move something to be in the middle. So let's say I don't want product 4 on the bottom. I want product 4 between product 1 and product 2. You can select it and then use the move handle to move it, but while you are moving it, don't just drop it, because if you try to do that, it says there is already data in there. Do you want to replace it? No, we definitely don't want to replace it. So what we want to do is bring it and put it in between product 1 and product 2. So while you are now you have other option to do this as well. If you don't want to use this combination, just right mouse click channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.